Hey everybody, so I hope your day's going good, mine's going good, because there's one stock to have in your bag and that's Google. And today it jumped up 7% and it closed down about half of that what it jumped at. I guess it was up like 4%, and it's basically they beat on expectation. The results Q3 were great. Um, there was highlighting on the Google Cloud, and then all the AI that they're getting to into the AI momentum. So all that AI fueled growth basically is jumping up the revenue, and then it's boosting their dividend. It looks like, and so the earnings were great, and that affected the stock, and it was like everybody have I have well, not everybody. I mean, most people, a lot of people own Google stock, and then it's always been a winner, and after the split, I got in a bunch, and just been holding it in just little dollar cost averaging here and there. But it's AI is always AI and Google. I'm saying, and then Google itself is just always been a winner for since they started basically. And I own Google, and then I'm building up some here. But yeah, they had a great report, and they blew away the numbers, and it's it's just Google. It's just highlighting. They just had a great quarter result, and then it was a lot of it is based on what they're doing with AI. So great news there if you have Google. Um, just I think it's a great one to hold and kind of forget, and that's what I'm doing. So it is earnings season, so it's kind of expected for these big companies to be posting their earnings. I think like Meta just posted their results, and then they had some. I think they beat the numbers, but they're just I guess too much spending, and I think it's dropping in after hours. But this video was just mostly about Google. They had a great day today. AI results, the results from the strong AI growth that they had, and all these kind of companies that are getting AI seems to be boosting their quarterly results. Um, like Microsoft as well. Everybody that's Google, Microsoft, they're all getting into. They're in the cloud. I mean, not getting into. They have been in the cloud for a long time, and it's all a great thing that's boosting their earning results. So right now, after hours, it's Google's trading at 173 and some change, and it was at a high almost today, like at a 181 and some change up there, and yeah, that's it. Kind of petered out at the since the open, and from there it kind of traded lower and lower, and but it's always the earnings for you kind of when they post earnings. Um, yeah, it's kind of expected that to happen, and let's see what happens down the next couple of days. But yeah, for the month they've been doing great. In the last 3 months they've really been on a tear. Um, it was from like 148 to 181. It was around there. And year to date they're kind of just chasing back those old highs from July. So you're always tempted to take profit, but with Google, I never do that. I'm just holding on to. I bought some right around the, I guess, pandemic or a little after pandemic, 2022, around there. I got some in 90 and then 95, I think it is, and I just been holding it ever since then and just adding here and there. But yeah, I wish I bought more, but I just bought a little chunk and then just I'm holding and forgetting about it. Um, yeah, I remember the back in the days when this first started trading. So man, if you could just you had it when it first went public, but a lot of people didn't believe it back then that Google would be the Google that it is today. Um, they were just search, and there was like all those Alta Vista and Yahoo and all those different searches back then, and then Google just tore up the stage there. And I think that's what you got to look for any company that has that potential to do things. And yeah, I think it's just going to continue. And like I said, I wish I had more, but that's just the way it is. So it's earnings seasons. A lot of different companies are posting their earnings. So just be on the lookout for that. Like if you have some calls or cover calls or stuff like that, be worry about these earnings that are always around the corner. You never know, that could um change your account values pretty quick and how you're holding them. But yeah, and also Google, I didn't read into it. It says something about dividends. I don't know if it. Yeah, it says quarter three they smashed expectations by 15%. Um, revenue surge 50% to 88.3 billion, beating both growth and margin forecasts. And then yeah, it jumped 7% today. Yeah, just a lot of revenue was boosted on their cloud and engine Google services. Google cloud powered impressive gains. Google services rose 13% to 76 billion. Uh, Fueled by robust demand for search, YouTube, and platform services. Cloud jumped as well. Revenue jumped 35% to 11 some change billion. And yeah, then there's just a lot of mention about AI. And yeah, I didn't really see. Oh that Google Alphabet, I should say from the beginning. Alphabet announced a cash dividend of 20 cents per share for AB shares, totaling 2.5 billion. I'm not sure if that was increased from the last. This dividend is combined with impressive Q3 performance. So they're kind of rewarding shareholders when they give these dividends like that. And yeah, I'm not really sure what it was before. So it's with these technology companies, you really don't expect much of a dividend, but it's cool that Google does that, and I know like a bunch of other ones are getting into the game there with Meta and a few others. But I wanted to see what Meta was trading at right now with oh wow, they came back. It was down $14, but now they're down only 5. So I don't know, that the call is going on right now, so I don't know what's going on with the call. Some positive. Yeah, sometimes you can have a report, and then they have the call, and then they explain everything what's going on, and they come back. Stock comes back after the or during the call, as they kind of re-explain what's going on during the earnings. So they kind of go over the earnings a lot better than what you see just in the text from the report from the news feeds and different stuff like that. And it's better to hear perspective, somebody talking about how they actually did in earnings than just reading about it. It's a lot easier to understand. So I'm doing some DCA into Google, but not that much. But I just holding on to the shares that I have. Just with keeping that go. So I was really my plan was just kind of just to ride out Google with get the I buy back with the dividends and adds more shares there. Little DCA here, but I'm just waiting for like the it to come back and then do another split down the road. When the last split was a couple years ago, I don't know how much was that, 15 or 20 kind of a split, 20x kind of. But yeah, I'm expecting, yeah. So if you have like you can have a small amount of shares with Google, and then they do these splits. You could do really good holding it just for even a small amount of Google shares. That's what I'm seeing. I should have done that from the beginning, but that's my plan, my 10-year plan, whatever. But yeah, but you have to be patient with Google with because they take forever kind of to get their stock price. They almost want it to be like $1,500 or $2,000 a share before they even do a split, and then you you get those, like your 1 share, you get 20 shares of Google kind of thing. You have to wait forever for that to happen, but they reward you big time if you're a holder. So I think they reward the long-term people, long-term holders. But yeah, this is my take on Google today. But if you like this video, hit like, subscribe. Definitely more subscribers better. Everybody on board, and that's cool. And I want more subscribers so I can make better videos, just better everything. But yeah, thank you for watching. And if you like this video, like, subscribe, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and share, do all that stuff. But yeah, thank you for watching, and peace. I'll see you guys in the next one.